a great accompaniment for any barbecue would be these corn ribs. Start off with just some fresh sweet corn. We're going to make a nice dressing for them for afterwards. Once they've cooked, we'll put the dressing on. So I've got some Cajun seasoning. So we'll put a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning in there. And then we've got some lime juice. 2 tablespoons of lime juice in there. And then a little bit of olive oil. A tablespoon of olive oil. And that is our dressing for our ribs once we've cooked them. Set that to one side, go back to our ribs. This one's a bit tricky, sharp. Once chopped down, you'll be left with pieces of corn like this. A little bit of that root in the middle there. If you cut them down a little bit smaller, it doesn't matter. Just a whole mix of all these different little bits of corn. Now we need to heat up some oil in a pan. Very dangerous, yeah, so you need to be bringing that up to about 180 degrees. So with a thermometer we check that, but adults only really. Temperature of the oil is coming up nicely now to where we need it to be. We'll slowly start placing these in carefully into the oil. As they start cooking, see them start to curl up, looking more and more like ribs, which is what we want. Got that nice dressing, just get straight over the top of that. Mix all that through. Dressing over the top. And there you have corn ribs.